Hello my dear students, so welcome back to our channel Emit Education. So today in this class we learn about the tournament. Okay, so this is the topic of chapter number 1 and this is very important chapter as per the CBSE syllabus. So every topic that we do is according to the CBSE syllabus 2024-25. Okay, let's begin. So first, tournament. Tournament is the part of the fixtures. Okay, so there are the two type of tournament you see. First one is the knockout one, second one is the league. Basically there are four types of tournament, but according to our syllabus we focus on these two because every year the question are asked from these topics. First one is about the knockout, second one is the league. In knockout there are two conditions. One is normal knockout, then we have the special seeding and the normal seeding. So there are the two another condition that are part of the knockout. Next one, second one is the league fixture. In league, we make the fixtures on basis of three type. First one is cyclic one, then staircase method, then the tabular one. If you see the name cyclic, staircase, tabular, so these fixtures are according to their nature just like the cyclic. In cyclic, the teams are rotation in the clockwise direction, in the cyclic direction, or we can say clockwise direction. Second one is the staircase. Staircase means this fixture looks like a stairs. That's why we call it staircase fixture. Third one is tabular. Tabular, this is a new fixture introduced in our syllabus and it's very important. So this fixture tabular looks like a table, that's why this fixture is known as the tabular. Along with that, there are the two another type of tournament, that is our combination one, then one is challenging one. So combination is when we combine the knockout and the league, they become the combination tournament. So now we start with the cyclic fixture. So this is the theory part of the cyclic fixture. So just see. First one, the first step is number of teams. So always remember, number of team is always represented by the capital N. So we have only the two numbers, odd or even, there are only two conditions. So the teams are meaning the odd or the even. Always with the help of capital N, the number of teams will be represented. Point number 2, number of matches. So number of matches formula is n minus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula 1. Second formula is n minus 1. So there are two conditions. First condition of this one. So n minus 1 divided by 2 means we play the less matches, means we play the matches in the single one. Okay, just like that A versus B. So if the team play only one match, means single match with every team. So this is known as the single league. Second condition is double one. So when every team play with every other team twice, so this is known as the double. At this time we only multiply the team n minus 1 divided by 2. So there are two formula for calculate the number of matches on the basis of single one and the double one. Next one is third point, that is number of round. In cyclic fixture, number of round is very important point. If we have the odd number of team, then the number of round will be n, means equal to the team. Equal to team. If we have the 7 number of team, then the number of round will be same, 7. Second condition is of even. If we have the even number of team, then the number of round will be n minus 1. Suppose we have the 8 number of team, then 8 minus 1 means 7 number of rounds will be there. So in the condition of even, we reduce 1, and in the condition of odd, just equal to the team. Next important point, that is if we have the odd number of team, then we take the help of by. Always remember, by is the best friend of the odd team. Whenever we have the odd number of team, we take the help of the by. And what is by? By is just the privilege or advantage given to the team. now we take the example of cyclic picture. So see, first one, number of team is 5. 5, it means we have the odd number of team. This is clear. This point number 1 we already read in the previous slide. Now second is number of matches. So we have the 5. Just place 5 on the place of n. So 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 2, it means 5 4 is 20, means we have the total number of matches will be 10. Third point is number of from. So in the condition of odd we use the n. So n means equal to number of team. So we have the 5 number of team, means we have the 5 number of rounds. So this is the theory part. This is how we draw the picture. Okay, see, first you have to mention the first round. So there is one condition, bi is the best friend of the odd number of team. So whenever we have the odd number of team, we always fix the bi. So there is one rule. So always place the bi in the top at the right side. This one is left side, this one is right side. So at the right side top, always fix the bi. So means in the first round, team 5 will get the bi. Then 4 versus 1 and 3 versus 2. These are the matches. Then in cyclic fixture, the teams are rotation in which direction? In the clockwise direction. So with the help of the arrows, we show the movement, we show the rotation. So in this manner, we show the rotation of the team. In second round, bi is fixed at the right side top. Then 5 means this arrow. Look at this arrow. It means the 5 is come at the place of 1 and the remaining teams are rotation in which direction? In the clockwise direction. It means in round number 2, 4 team will get the bis. Then 3 versus 5, 2 versus 1. In round 3, 4 is come at the place of 5. So 4. Then with the help of the arrows, we show the rotation. 2 versus 4, 1 versus 5, and round 3, team 3 will get the bi. In many times, CBSE will ask the question in different ways, just like that. In team 3, which team will get the bi? So the answer is 3. Team 3 will get the bi in round number 3. Similarly, round number 4. In round number 4, team 2 will get the bi. Matches between 1 versus 3, 5 versus 4. Then with the help of the arrows, we show the rotation. In round number 5, 2 teams will come and place 3. So look, in round number 5, the team 1 will get the bi and matches between 5 versus 2, 4 versus 3. So number of matches will be 10. How many rounds we have? 5. In each round there are total number of matches will be 2, 1 and 2. This one is bi, this is not played. In each round, how many matches will be there? 2. Total number of 5. 5 2 is 10. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this manner, we draw the cyclic fixture for the odd number of teams. So there is only difference between odd and even is in the odd number of teams we fix the bi. If we have the even number of teams, at the place of bi we fix the one team. One team is the first team. So now we see if we have the even number of teams, then how we draw the cyclic fixture. Okay, so we take the 6. How many teams we have? The 6. It means it is the even number. Same number of matches will be that we already know the formula, n minus 1 divided by 2. So 6 n minus 1 5 divided by 2 means 15. So total number of matches will be 15. Third is number of rounds, that is n minus 1. Remember this one. If we have the odd number of team, then we place the and if we have the even number of team, then it's n minus 1. It means the 6 minus 5, 6 minus 1, it means we have the 5 number of round. The total number of round will be 5. Let's see how to draw the fixture. So in the even number of team, we always fix the first team. Okay, with the circle, it means we fix the one team. So in the first round, 6 versus 1, 5 versus 2, 4 versus 3. Okay, with the arrows we show the rotation. In cyclic fixture, the teams are rotation which direction? Clockwise direction. Okay, 6 is come at place of 2. So here is 6, then rotation in which direction? Clockwise direction. In second round, the first match is between 5 versus 1, second match 4 versus 6, third match 3 versus 2. Similarly, in all the rounds, 4 versus 1, 3 versus 5, 2 versus 6, and the teams are rotation which direction? Clockwise direction. 4 is come at place of 5. You can see here. Okay. This is round number 4. Then similarly, the last round, the first match in the 5th round is 2 versus 1, 6 versus 3, 5 versus 4, and the teams are rotation which direction? Clockwise direction. If we rotate further, so this one and this one become the similar. So until the first round came, we draw the fixture. Now you see in each round there are 3 matches. So 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3 means total number of rounds will be 5, 5 3 is 15. How many matches we have? 15. It means our fixture is absolutely correct. So in this manner we draw the cyclic fixture, and now we learn how to draw the cyclic fixture in the condition of odd and the condition of even. Only straightforward question is asked in the board examination, and this is about 3 mark or 4 mark question. 1 is for your calculation, 2 marks is for your representation. I hope so you learn this topic.